Hello, everyone. My name is Adam, and I have prepared a very interesting test for you. At an intersection, all drivers have an obstacle on the right. How to separate, in what order should the drivers separate? Answer options. 1. Yellow car, green car, truck, red car. 2. Red, yellow, green, truck. 3. Truck, red, yellow, green. 4. Green, truck, red, yellow. 5. Yellow truck, red, green. 6. Drivers must separate as agreed. I'll give you 30 seconds to think. Task parsing an intersection. A green car and a truck turn left, and a red and a yellow car go straight through. The intersection is not equipped with traffic lights. There is no traffic controller and not even a single road sign. So, in front of us is an unregulated intersection of equivalent roads, at which drivers must part ways according to the traffic rules. At the intersection of equivalent roads, the driver of a non-relative vehicle is obliged to give way to vehicles approaching from the right. That is, it is well known for everyone the rule of obstruction on the right. But what to do in this case, when drivers of all vehicles have interference on the right and will not be able to separate according to this rule? In such situations, one of the drivers should take the initiative and let everyone at the intersection pass. For example, the driver of the red car will do this and signal with his headlights. In this way, the right-hand obstacle will disappear for the driver of the yellow car, and he can go straight ahead. After that, the driver of the green car will lose the obstacle and continue driving. Further, the interference will not be for the driver of the truck, and the last car will pass the red car. The correct answer is number 6. Write your answers below in the comments. Put a like, share the video with friends, and subscribe to the channel. Good luck to everyone, and see you soon.